How to make an AI-generated animation step by step. Let's create a full, short animation using only AI tools. First, we need a scenario for our animation story, so we go to ChatGPT and ask it to give us a very short story about a thief and a police officer. Once it gives us the story and we approve it, we ask it to give us 10 scene prompts to create images using AI. Now we have 10 prompts for generating 10 scenes related to this scenario. Let's move on to creating the scenes. You can use any AI image generation tool to create the scenes. As you can see, I have a ready-made prompt in a polygon art style. I paste the prompt and place my desired text inside these brackets. I'll speed up the video so the image generation process can finish quickly. Now the images are ready, scene by scene. Next, we need to tell ChatGPT to write a narration script based on these scenes. Then, we give the script to a text-to-speech AI to turn it into voice. For this, I use the AI tool ElevenLabs. Once the voice is ready, we open CapCut and sync the images with the timing of the voice. We also add some effects. And congratulations, your animation is ready. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe for more AI tutorials.